Hi, you guys, it's Miss Skiba. Good morning. I hope you've had a great weekend and you're ready to get back into some reading. So today we are going to be making a new book from our packet called All in a Day. So you'll need to find this book from the packet. It's called All in a Day and it has a little boy on the front. And today you'll need scissors and a stapler to cut and piece your book together. So remember, when we make these books, we are cutting on the dotted line up here, and we are folding on the solid line down here in the middle. And you guys need to make sure that you're putting your books together in order, beginning to end, and make sure the page numbers are all in order so we can read the book how it was meant to be written, or how it was written. So today we're going to be talking a little bit more about characters. And the characters of our stories are just the people or animals in our stories who are doing the things that the author is writing about. And authors teach us about characters by showing and telling us what they're doing or thinking. So their actions in the story, what they're actually doing in the story, and then also what they might be thinking about the story. And authors tell us about this using words and illustrations. But today we're going to really be focusing on looking at the pictures to figure out what the characters are doing. Or we're going to look at the illustrations to figure out the characters' actions or what they're doing. So today you guys are going to read All in a Day. And after each page, I want you to stop and think, what is the character doing? I want you to check your illustration and I want you to say, what do I see in this picture? What do I see my character doing? So, after you read All in a Day, you're going to answer two questions. The first question is, what does the boy do? Or what are his actions? And the second question is, how do the illustrations or pictures help you know what the boy does or what his actions are? So on the first page, let's look together. I read, the sun is up, and then I stopped, and I'm thinking, what is my character doing? What are the little boy's actions? What is he doing? And I see that he's waking up. And I know this because the illustration or the picture shows him yawning in bed with the sun coming up in the background. So I know that if he's in bed and the sun is coming up, then he's probably waking up for the day. So I used my illustrations to help me figure out what my character was doing. And that's what you guys are going to do today. So you're going to read All in a Day all the way through, paying super close attention to your illustrations. And then you're going to ask yourself, what does the boy do? And how did the illustrations help me figure that out? Okay, guys, I hope you really enjoy this book because we're going to be working with it all week. So you'll have plenty of time to get used to it. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow.